We want to build a system that you can install in air conditioning systems. So while you are heating, cooling air and stuff, you can clean up the air. You can install this in hospitals, you can install this in residences or buses, planes. This can be something that not only help against the COVID, but also against future potential issues. We have around 15 years of research that we have done, and the idea was to use catalysts to remove organic pollutants from air. When the COVID situation came, we realized that maybe we can use the same concept instead of breaking a chemical, break a virus. We are first testing it to see how does it work against chemicals in the air. It has fulfilled all the expectations that we had. Now we are moving to making it more realistic in terms of dealing with the virus. It can be the flu that we do shot every year, it can be COVID, or it can be anything else. Anything that comes through the air, we treat it as a chemical.
So we are hoping that our process is gonna work for a wide variety of these pathogens in the air, and we are hoping that it can play an important role in preventing happening these types of pandemic again. Even like the immunization that vaccines provide, they are not 100%. So we need to kind of take other actions. Based on the research that has done so far, we are confident that our process can treat air and inactivate pathogens in a way that kids won't have to wear masks, keep social distancing. Also, it's important in some very critical places like senior houses.
It would be like an active filter in a way that can kill the pathogens. The heart of the system is the catalyst that can kind of, I would say, oxidize or burn these chemicals or these pathogens. And that comes from the research that we have been doing over more than a decade at c.l.s. And based on what we know about the working of the catalyst, we have a lot of hope that it will kill COVID-19. But before solid evidence, we are not going to claim anything. Right now, what we are doing is we are testing it. As we are testing the system, we will see how it performs. And that idea of making it even better, optimizing it, everything, that again will require back and forth work with c.l.s. and really the involvement of the scientists. So really, we are working with them to help us understand, how the system works, how we can make it work even better. The goal is to have it as soon as possible and as sure as possible, because we are dealing with the health and safety of the people. We want to study every aspect of the work to make sure that it is working, it is effective, and it is going to help. That is the goal, to make that something works and something that is affordable, something that people can buy and afford and install in their system at their homes.